Hi friends, this is Gaurav from Traveling Geek, and today I'm going to unbox my latest travel companion wireless headphones from Sony, and this is WI1000X. Generally these are priced at 21,990 in India. This is the MRP or the maximum retail price of this wireless headphones, and this is the flagship wireless headphones, wireless in-ear headphones from the Sony. This is exactly the same international edition of the WI1000X. So they have the high-res audio certification here. As you know, the application and the wireless headphone itself is fully compatible with Android and iOS. They have the dedicated active noise cancellation, and obviously this is a wireless one. They also have the built-in NFC, so pairing is quite easy if you have the NFC-based phone. They come with the Qualcomm APT-X and APT-X HD, even though the logo is only for the APT-X HD, but it actually includes both the codecs. This also has the Sony's proprietary LDAC high-res wireless audio codec, and all bunch of Sony's high-end sound enhancement technologies like the DSWE-HX and the S-Master HX. And and most importantly, this is the only wireless earphone right now available from Sony, or maybe this is the only one I know in this price point which comes with a dual driver design. So the highs are managed by or reproduced by the balanced armature drive, and basically the mids and highs are produced by the 9mm dynamic driver. This is really great. I tried this in the store before ordering it from the Paytm, and these are really comfortable in the ear, very lightweight, and has a great noise cancellation experience. So let's find out what else mentioned on the box. You can see that the price is 21,990. That's the MRP. This is the latest packaging, May 2018, and surprisingly this is made in Malaysia. Oh, that's nice. This is not made in China and imported by Sony India. So these are not made in India but made in Malaysia, and it comes a lot of stuff in it. It has its own carrying pouch, plug adapter for in-flight use, connection cable, then it has a USB cable, earbuds, then we have the operating instruction and reference guide. Okay guys, so let's open this box. Wow, and here I have the some small quick instruction manual for the controls, as well as the headphones connect application, which is available on the Google Play as well as the iOS App Store. And here are the headphones. As you can see, they are really neatly packed. Okay, so I think this is the one. Okay, this look really nice, and must say the packaging is really great. That's really great from the Sony. Nothing on the back here. Let me put this aside. Wow. So here we have the Sony branding, NFC logo. That's the model name, WI1000X. What is this? This is the tag, I think. Okay. So let me keep this aside for a moment and let me check out what else we have inside the box. Okay, so this is the quick instruction manual. This is the airplane plug adapter, and various cables in it, which also includes the 3.5mm to the micro USB cable. Basically this cable you can use when the wireless headphones are absolutely dead. I mean, the battery has run out and you still need to use them, so just connect the 3.5mm jack to the any audio device which you are listening to, and just connect the micro USB to the headphones. So you make these expensive wireless headphones a wired one. A nice trick, Sony. That's really nice. So this is the quick start guide. Okay, I get different types of tips here. Okay, so these are some special triple comfort earbuds. I think this is something similar to Comply ear tips. This is a combination of the silicone and the different spongy material, and these are typical silicone rubber earbuds. So 3 types of silicone rubber earbuds and this triple comfort earbuds. So nice, lot of options you have, and these are in nice packaging with color coding. Oh, that's really cool. So you know that you're not using a different size ear tip at all. And this is the pouch. Okay, this pouch is not having any kind of premium material, but still feel nice to the hand. This is a resin, a type of a resin it is, and I really hope that these are water resistant material. So nice way to keep the headphone inside this thing, and the zip looks good. So let's keep this thing aside and let's get those earphones. So guys, I have installed the Sony Headphone Connect application on my Galaxy S9 Plus, and the pairing was really simple and nice, and thanks to the NFC chip embedded in both the products, I just tapped on it and it got paired. It also detected. Right now, unfortunately, I saw one warning, and it is telling that the Sony has told us that the Google Assistant update is still not available on the WI1000X. It will be available soon. But here I can see that a lot of controls are here in this in this application, and a lot of the features like the adaptive sound control, where basically the headphone detects the ambient environment of you. I mean, wherever you are going, it detects the ambient environment and it changes the functions, or basically the noise cancelling performance as per that. This is something really great. So right now it is showing the adaptive sound control is on, and it's showing the noise cancelling. They have the sound position control where it also showing you a different kind of option. So let me click on this, and so I don't know how to do it. I need to see that stuff. Okay, then we have the surround sound option. You can see here I can just change it to arena, then club, then outdoor stage, concert hall, and then off. We have the equalizer. This is really great, Sony. Lot of controls are there. I can go with the off, then the bright, then the excited, mellow, relaxed, vocal, treble. Let's see where we have customization here. Oh, manual is also there, and then we have the custom 2, and then off. And we also have options for the clear bass, but then how to click on this. Okay, don't know how to do that. Then there is a option for now playing, so anything you are playing through it, you can actually change the stuff. Sound quality mode. Now this is something unique. I don't know what exactly this is. Priority on sound quality and priority on stable connection. So if the sound skips frequently, select this setting. This connect codec is fixed to SBC. Okay, so this is something to do with basically the sound codec. Then we have this Sony's proprietary audio technology, where it enhances the audio quality in the wireless mode. Standby with power saving and vibrator on the incoming call. Okay, so pretty nice customization here. Okay, use something also how launch music center. So I think this is their Sony's own music app, which I'm not installing right now. That's the software version, and this is the update I was talking about. So it is telling me the software update, the latest version is available on the following devices. But unfortunately, this Google Assistant update for the bigger headphones at the WH1000X Mark II and the WI1000X neck mat design, this is not available right now. Currently, the update is not available, and they say that it will optimize the headphone for the Google Assistant and all. The NC button will change. Okay. So right now it's not available. I hope it will be available soon. So guys, thanks a lot watching this video of the unboxing of Sony WI1000X. These are my latest travel companion wireless headphones. I will shortly post its review specifying and comparing it with different products available in the market. If you like this video, I really hope you will click on thumbs up, and you will share this video more and more, so more people will be able to watch this video. Really thanks. This is Gaurav signing off for Traveling Geek.